Hi, I'm BM, the founder of BM Cyber Awareness. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you 13 ways how to speed up your Windows PC gaming performance and productivity. Don't worry, this is a step-by-step, so if you are a newbie, even if you are a non-IT professional or something, a normal user like that, you can tag along and then just follow my step-by-step tutorial. This is for you guys, and don't worry, I made a note for this. I save it on my notepad, and whenever I upload this video, you'll see at the description the step-by-step tutorial on how you're gonna do it. So this is my own tutorials, and if I missed something like the new ways of how to do it, well, just certainly Google is our best friend, and then just go and search for it. If you are using Windows XP or the latest version of Windows XP, Windows 7, you can still, some of these options, some of these tutorials can still be useful to you. So just tag along and then let's get started. So as you can see on the video, I just started it, and then as promised, I'm going to show you the list I made. So these are the things that we're going to do right now. So the first things first is that for me, I always check for Windows update. Why? It will help us to stabilize our Windows PC performance and also our security. So how are we gonna do that? We just it says on the video, it says on the screen that you click on the window key. It's in there's a window picture in your keyboard, and then with additional I, window and I, and then this will pop up. So let's go to the update and security. As you can see on the video, my Windows is up to date, but then there is a latest available optional update. I would love to update that right now, but I can't since I only have 2 gig of data left, and I need to use it. So maybe I'm going to update this tomorrow. But if you are seeing but in your end, I would like to recommend that you should update this if you are using a Wi-Fi. But if you are using a data, then just that depends on you. This will took so long, so that depends on you. So after this Windows update, in my second tutorial, the restore point. So just click the window key, then letter E. There. This window will pop up. This is the File Explorer. If you don't know how, below you can see this one. I'm just going to close it so that you can just click the folder, and then here it is. So there are lots of things that we could do right now. So just click this PC, and then right click, go to properties, and then advanced system settings. In the advanced system settings, we can go to the system protection settings, local DC, configure. I'm gonna turn on my system protection, and I'm gonna give it 5%, and then I'm gonna click apply. Okay, and then I'm going to create my restore point. So let's just say that restore point great. Whenever I reformat something, I always do this. So this is really my ways of doing things. on my Windows. But if there's an update, then I would gladly going to search for it and then play for it. So while waiting, let's try. This may took some time, but don't worry about it. So while waiting, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, which is BM Awareness. Later on, I'm gonna upload some of the videos I made, but as of now, I cannot. So let's just go step by step. Alright, the restore point was created successfully, and then let's proceed to the remote. I would like to allow this remote assistance connection to this. No, I don't want to allow this one, but in your case, there might be this box is checked. So let's go to the advanced. In your case, this box is checked. That depends on you if you want to be your computer to be controlled remotely or not. But as of for me, I don't want my computer to be controlled remotely, so I'm not gonna allow this. So and then okay, and I'm not gonna allow this, and hit maybe I'm going to say it okay later. And as for the let's go the in your case, maybe let's go for the advanced visual effects. Let's go to be sure that the depth for essential Windows program and services only is turned on, the first one. You click the first one. And the advanced programs. Paging, well, it's set to page. So you some people use the no paging file and the drive C, but in my case I'm going to use the system manage size, and then I'm gonna click that set. No paging for the drive D, no paging for the drive G. So just gonna okay. Automatically no, do not check that one. Visual effects, in your case, this is what you're going to see, right? So this will just a little, even just a little, this will give a boost, something like that. So I always do this kind of stuff, adjust for best performance. I'm just gonna show thumbnails and then edges. Smooth edges of screen, just that, and then click apply and okay. Start up and recovery. In your case, you're going to see this one checkbox. It was the checkbox, it was checked, but in my case I'm going to turn that off. So okay, that's done. The computer name, device manager, device installation, okay, that's done. Click apply and then okay, and then close. Alright, before proceeding, please be reminded that, let me see the Bandicam. It's we still have 3 minutes, so I'm using a Bandicam for free. Then so it's Bandicam gave us 10 minutes of recording. So let's go for this number 3, disable running programs, background programs. So click the window key, the same as, and then let's go to the privacy. Here in the general, you'll see that everything is turned off. I don't need that, so I'm going to turn that off. General privacy, the speech is turned off, the ink. This will help boost your system performance, okay? So even just a little, this will help. Activity history, of course. Location, I'm going to turn that off. As for the camera, there are apps that I turned it off since I don't need that. I don't use this kind of apps. For the microphone, only the same limited apps. That depends on you. Just play or just play it. Not gonna use my microphone to the 3D viewer since I'm not using it, and etc. Voice activation turned off. Notifications turned off. Account information, contacts, everything was turned off. So let's go with the other services. It's still turned off. And then background apps, this is the most important. So just turned it off, everything. And then that's it. So let's go to the number 5. Let's check the number 5. It's the gaming booster. In the gaming, if you are a gamer, then please do this. This will help you in your game to be stable. This will help your game stable. Then I just turned it off since I don't have a game in here. I'm not playing any games in my PC or laptop. So let's go to the graphics settings. Classic app. You just since I don't have any games in here, you just browse and go to your, for example, you are using STEM, go and Dota 2 or ROS ML. There is an application that, for example, Dota 2.exe. You just click that and then add, and then that's it. Or you can search it on YouTube on how to do how to use the gaming performance or the gaming booster for graphic settings in Windows 10. But it's just that easy. Okay, so let's proceed. Ease access. In the ease access, let's go to the display, magnifier, narrator. You're just gonna play in here, okay? Show animations. No, I'm not gonna show animations. Transparency in Windows, hide scroll bars. You're just gonna play in here. Play like that depends on you. What do you wanna do? So let's go to the background settings. Fit, everything is fit. Then themes. If you don't like the recycle bin to be on the background, then you just uncheck that. But I don't really like recycle bin to be in the background on my desktop. But as of now, since we're on a tutorial, I'm gonna check that one. So we're done with it. This is how fast it is. I'm going to. So the thing is, we're going to delete the cache. I'm sorry for my pronunciation. The cache something. So here you just. Oh, I forgot. The combination for this is window key plus R. So let's delete that window key and R, and then you just first type the temp. Just Control A, and then no, not Control A. Alright, Control A, Control plus A for select all, and then just delete everything. Do this for all current items. Delete and continue. Click continue, then do this for all items. Skip, don't worry about that. Whenever you restart it, it will be deleted. So the next one is temp, the big one. It's written in here, guys, okay? It's written in my notepad. I know, in my sticky note. Everything you see, just delete everything. The same. Alright, it's clean. And then let's go with the prefetch. Yes, it's gonna click continue to permanently get access to this folder. Continue. and delete everything. Just Control A to select all and then delete everything. Seriously, you don't need these files. And then let's go to our recycle bin and then just empty. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna do that later on. So in your case, just empty your recycle bin and then that's it. So the next one is we're going to create an ultimate power option that will help everything to speed up and boost our gaming and productivity of our Windows. So let's go for the CMD. It would be better if you're going to use a CMD admin, but as in my case, let's see in here, Windows PowerShell. Alright, I could just easily search CMD, but where was that? Command prompt, the command prompt. Where's the command prompt? Oh, I don't know where's the command prompt. So just type that CMD. And then you're going to copy paste. Don't worry, this one I'm going to put this in the description. You just copy and then paste and then enter. As you can see on the video, you get to see the ultimate performance. And where are you going to see that one? It's in the power options. You just need to put window and X. It's written in here in my sticky note, window key and plus X. And then power options. Click the power options and go to the additional power settings. As you can see on the video, it was written in here, the ultimate performance. Let's change the plan settings. In your case, this plan settings of mine has already been changed, but in your case it might not. So click the change plan settings. So here we are in the edit plan settings of the power options. So let's go to the change advanced. It's up to you when do you want your computer to be turned off, but as for me, I don't want it. So I'm going to change the settings to never. So let's go to the change advanced power settings. Turn off hard disk, no. Internet Explorer, no. Desktop background settings, slideshow. Pause everything. The wireless, just whatever you see in the video, you just copy it, okay? Power saving mode, maximum performance. Sleep, no. USB settings, power lead. PCI Express, maximum performance. Plug-in, link state power, maximum performance. I forgot that. So processor power management, minimum 100%. Plug-in, system cooling, active, both are active. Maximum processor state, both are 100%. On a display, turn off display after, never. Multimedia settings, I don't need to change that. Switchable dynamic graphics, maximum performance. Battery, since my battery is damaged, I don't need to even if it's not damaged, doesn't matter. You don't need to do anything on the battery. AMD graphics power, maximize performance. So click apply and then okay. So we're almost done. The number 8 is disable startup. Window key plus R, window key plus R, and then search for msconfig. Let's go for this startup. So you might actually think that whenever you start your computer or restart, there's so many there's still stem in here, but I'm not actually playing anything. Just there. But okay, so let's get back on the track. You might actually asking for yourself that why is that whenever you turn on your computer or if you do restart, it took some time and then it's lagging. Because one of the reason is that these programs in your, you might see on this, whenever you see on the startup, it was enabled, these programs are enabled. So whenever you start up, all of these programs will automatically start even if you don't use it. So in my case, I'm just gonna disable everything except for the Windows security, Windows Defender. I'm just gonna disable everything. Actually later on I'm gonna do uninstalling since I forgot to uninstall some of the things I don't need, especially this one and this one. So after the disable startup, let's go for the number 9, which is disable services not related to Microsoft. So how are we gonna do that? Let's go to the services, hide all Microsoft services, everything that's not related to Microsoft. I'm going to disable that except for the VirtualBox since I'm using it. Don't worry, it won't affect anything. It's just that that's not gonna affect anything, but in my case I don't need these things to start, so I don't need these things to keep running, but except for the VirtualBox since I'm using VirtualBox. And then for my WD drive manager, and then okay, you can enable all and then disable all, and that's it. After that, you just gonna click OK. This cleanup and defragment. Okay, so let's get back on this folder or window key E. You should learn the basics of shortcuts on the keyboard. Maybe I'm just gonna create one. Just you just click the local DC or local D, that depends on you, and then go to the properties. In the properties, you will see that this cleanup. I just recently clicked this one, so I'm gonna cancel it. Okay, and before I'm going to cancel it, you just need to recycle bin. You can even, that's the one of the reason why I did not empty my recycle bin, because of this temporary files. You can check that one, or you can check now. Something that you don't need, you can just do and then clean up system files. That's it. After that, it may take some time. Go to the hardware. No, go to the tools. That is where we're going to defragment. We're going to optimize this one. Optimize. You just need to click that one. I just last run it was on yes. Just recently run this one, but I'm not gonna do this right now. But in your case, you might want to optimize it, and after that you might want to optimize the volume D, and then that's it. After that, you just need to wait. Okay, if you don't want to do this kind of stuff later on, let's just continue on the tutorial. Okay, so the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗥𝗘.com, this will help you boost your processor's performance. Okay, so let's go to Google Chrome and then search for the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗥𝗘.com. Go to the software, quick CPU. Still got 3 minutes. And then below, you look for the, if you're using 64-bit, then you download the 64-bit, and then if you're using 32-bit, you download the 32-bit. and then you just simply install and next, and after that you're going to see something like this: quick CPU. After you install that, you launch that. This will help your processor to boost. So I always boost my PC, especially if my PC is direct into the AC or to the outlet. And you might actually think, why is that this is the best performance my PC can give you, since I'm using, as you can see on the previous, you see that I'm using an old specs. I bought this when I was still on third year college, second year college, I guess. So in your case, you might see that your core is, some of you might have 25%, some of you might have 50%, or some of you might have 30%, but you could just scale that into 100%. After that, you could just explore, and then apply, click apply, and after that, then that's it. It's too easy, right? And then close. So CCleaner. So let's go for the CCleaner. Here, let's go search for the CCleaner. I would like to recommend or advise you that please go to the official website. Here it is. Since I do already have CCleaner, I don't need to download this one, but as for you, just click download, re-download, and then just download that one. After you download that one, you will see something like this, and then you just need to click and install, next, and that's it. So in my case, I already done it, so I'm just going to click this CCleaner. You could just check your PC health, but in my case, I don't want to do that, so let's proceed. You just check everything, or you could just double click the logo to check everything, especially the applications, check everything, and then run cleaner. After that, you go to the registry, scan for issues, and wait for it until it reaches 100%. I haven't in my life purchased CCleaner, so I always use Home, the free one. But if you do have, then that will be good. So fix selected issues and then close. Go to the tools. In the tools, you might want to uninstall programs that you don't want or you're not using anymore. If you are, in my case, if I'm done using CCleaner, and I'm just going to uninstall it. If I'm done updating my drivers, I'm just going to uninstall it, since I'm not yet done with it, so I'm not gonna uninstall this one, maybe later on. So let's go after the CCleaner to the driver booster. In my case, I'm using driver booster since I lost my whenever you buy something like hard drive, motherboards, computer, laptops, there is a CD or a DVD right in it. So I lost that one. That is for the drivers, but you can always search or look for it in the official website. In my case, I'm comfortable using driver booster. So you might want to use anything you like. So for extra security, go to this PC, right click, properties, security and maintenance. Go to the security, just need to click that one. The firewall domain is active, allow an app. You just play or tag along. If you know what to do, then just turn on your firewall and anything active, turn everything on. Then Windows protection, you can just go quick scan or something, scan options. In my ransom protection, if you do have a OneDrive, then set up your OneDrive. In my case, I don't have one, so well, since I know what I'm doing, especially I'm not using crack versions. Ransomware are stored in crack versions, 99%, and some in the programs. Okay, so after that, you just check these settings. Everything is cool, everything is alright. User change, always notify me when something or app install software changes to my computer. Make changes to the Windows settings, always notify. And I guess that's all there is to it. So, and last but not the least, this might help you when you want to upgrade. Okay, the user benchmark, I would like to introduce this one. You go to the userbenchmark.com, free download. Go to free download and you download that one. Since I already have one, once you downloaded that, you say something like this. So user benchmark will help you upgrade your PC, but first you will see the performance of your PC. In my case, please don't expect too much since I'm using this this laptop since when I'm still on college. That was years ago. And then I did not buy this one for gaming purposes. I just bought this for projects and study or something, research, something like that. So this is just for entry level, not even yet in entry. So I can just to show you how slow my laptop it is. So even after doing this kind of stuff, this is the best my laptop can give me or can do. So I'm sorry for about my mannerism. Let's just wait for it, just a couple of seconds. And then while waiting, please don't forget to subscribe again on my YouTube channel, 𝗕𝗪𝗪 Awareness. If you want to learn more about techniques, methods, or something like awareness, go to my Facebook page and search for BM Cyber Awareness. I'm the founder for of that page. If you want free resources, tutorials, courses, then go search for Cyber Awareness Group and join. If you want daily news or something like interesting Wada video, then go search BM Wada video and please follow and share everything I've done so far. So as for reminder, even after you do all of these stuff and your laptop is still so slow, I would like to recommend you to go to your nearest computer shops or IT experts so that you can check your hard drive or hardware if your hard drive or memory is failing. So this is what this is the summary of my laptop. So gaming is 1%, desktop is 37%, for workstation is 1%. It's really that low. So this is my specs and overall. So you can build this one into the high if you want. Add to PC build if you want to upgrade this PC. So this is what the user benchmark can do. It will test your laptop or PC on how does it work. So you just play along and search or just it's really up to you. So I guess that's all there is to it. See you on my next episodes or next tutorials. Please don't forget, okay? So bye bye.